those of you who have a will, you've got to go to probate. A will is simply a letter of instruction to the court. Two things have to die for a will to mean anything. Two things have to happen. Number one, you have to die, and number two, it has to go to court. If you think you got a will so you could avoid going to court, you didn't. A will just makes it a little simpler and easier for you. It takes at least 6 months. It's going to cost a minimum of $2,000, and it's going to be public. No way to avoid that. If there's any contention whatsoever or any claim at all, it's going to cost $10,000 and take a lot longer than 6 months of any kind at all. So how do you avoid this? In a simple way, you simply get a trust. A trust voids almost all contention if it's written well. And if there is contention, you win the contention. What we try to do in our office is, number one, avoid contention. Contention equals time and money. Number two, if there is contention, we want to win the contention. We want to win it summarily without a lot of undue problems. I spent most of my time the last 27 years in a courtroom in front of a judge. Not a lot of lawyers actually get in front of a judge in a courtroom. Sharon, do a lot of lawyers get in front of a judge? It's an art, it's not a skill, it's not a science, it's not something you learn. It's something that you have a natural talent for, then you add to it over time. Being in front of a judge is a different type of thing, and if we had a different seminar, I'd talk to you about that. But you want to avoid contention. We also want to make it simple. Simple for those of you who are alive, and when you die, we want to make it super simple so you're not spending a lot of money. If a proper estate plan is put together, it shouldn't cost your heirs anything to execute the estate plan and get it done afterwards. It should be a very simple thing. Here's what happens when one of my clients die, and I have them die, probably on average every week. I have somebody die that haven't done it for 27 years. I get a call.